Hi guys, Tool Talk here, and I want to talk to you about fence protector. If you're fussy like me and you want to keep your concrete post and gravel boards clean when using stain, paint or preservative, whether you're painting, rolling or spraying, for the last 10 years I've been using fence protector. These incredible box profiles slide over the fence post to protect your post, no masking tape required. These are the gravel board protectors. You can see they're thin. If your panel is quite tight to lift up, then as you can see, this little tool here will allow you to just leverage it up. They're reusable and they are amazing. I've been using these now for the last 10 years. Previous to that, it was hard work.